Arrest warrant laban kani Attorney Harry Roque, kasiong at 48 pangaliwa ing pepalwaling korte king Ciudad Angeles kaugnay ning kasong human trafficking. Ayon ang report ng Patricia Mamang.
Pepalwal ning Regional Trial Court Branch 118 king Angeles City reng arrest warrant laban kang dating presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, negosyanteng Cassandra Leong at 48 pangaliwa uli ning kasong qualified human trafficking ang mikikaugnayan king operasyon ning Lucky South 99 Pogo Hub king Porac. Agpang Department of Justice o DOJ simpala reng kasong non-bailable qualified human trafficking king Angeles City RTC inyang April 28, 2025. Kaya biya kareng akusado dina Attorney Roque amig silbing legal counsel ning Whirlwind Corporation ing kumpanya ating kaugnayan king Lucky South 99 at iong akidilalang authorized representative ning Pogo Hub. Sa lukuyang atyuking Netherlands Roque agpang king DOJ ing arrest warrant malyarya kanung makaapekto king application ning asylum ng Attorney Roque. June 2024 inyang iraidereng otoridad ing Lucky South 99 king Porac uli ning illegal aktibidad kabilang na ing human trafficking. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susulo.